Let me walk you through the first release update in Apex, and that is when I have a set collection, when I iterate it in runtime, if I try to modify the collection, something like this, in that case, Salesforce is going to throw us system.final exception starting winter 25. Let me take a step back and let me walk you through the code. I have a set here. I'm trying to loop through this particular set. As long as the name starts with a specific alphabet, go ahead and remove the name from the set. If I try to execute this, I'll be getting system.final exception. The error message clearly says that cannot modify a collection while it is being iterated. Now let me copy this and execute this piece of code in any other org which is not having version 62.0 enabled. I'm going to take this particular org. I believe this is having 61.0 or 60.0. If I try to execute this piece of code, it is going to work absolutely fine without throwing any exception. Now, the technical reasoning behind Salesforce giving this update is Salesforce says this particular update is going to stop three things from happening. The first one is if the developer tries to modify the collection in a iteration, in that case, it might skip few elements of the set. The second thing is it might process few elements multiple times. The third thing is it might even give us an error. Because of which Salesforce went ahead and Salesforce removed the ability to modify a collection in iteration in runtime. That's all for this episode. See you in the next one.